Uchi. This is the Uchi block. Left hand open. You have to keep the fist tight while starting the technique and keep the attempt technique you have to take on your opposite waist side. Okay? So you should see the technique carefully. 1, fist tight. This hand fist tight. 2, extend. Now while doing that technique, another hand you have to extend this hand. 1, you have to pose here. 2, 1. Now, note the point. You have to keep the thumb downside, okay? Because you have to rotate the wrist and arm together. So keep the thumb downward and do the Uchi. 2. Same way. 1, 2. So now with the speed, together, you have to coordinate together. Do both hands together, okay? Knee, coordinate together. Sun, keep body relaxed and apply. Sun, shi,